A really nice and promising fight between Emmanuel Navarrete and Eduardo Nunes here in RV. Eduardo Nunes is just a killer. He outsmarted Christopher Diaz, Masanori Rikishi, Miguel Mariaga, John Rakimov, Oscar Gandon. The other side, Emmanuel Navarrete only has two losses, one draw. He is on a cool streak, but lost to Denis Berenchik, draw against Conceição, no contest against Suarez, victories over Valdez on two occasions, Leon Wilson, Eduardo Baez, Joet Gonzalez, Christopher Diaz. I would like to say Eduardo because I like Eduardo's fighting style more, but I have to be realistic. This fight could go all the way, and this title fight has the potential to go to full distance. But I have a feeling it's gonna go over 8.5. If I see Nunez stopping him, it might happen in the late stages of the fight. But I say Nunez decision. Official prediction gonna be over 8.5.